Welcome to Ventus Accommodations Management. In this video, we will be running through all the different parts of the Ventus Student Portal, walking you through your dashboard so that you can become a Ventus Pro. When you first log in, you will be brought to your dashboard. This is where you'll see what's new in terms of updates, Ventus notifications, upcoming appointments, unconfirmed exams, and upcoming exams with academic accommodations. The second tab you'll see is the Profile page. Here you'll find your personal information, including your full name and your address. Following your personal details are your disability details, which is where you'll find the documentation that you submitted regarding your temporary or permanent disability, and whether it was confirmed or not. You are also able to add additional disability documentation that you have not yet submitted, as well as add disability information, for example, a new permanent or temporary disability that is impacting your studies. Please note, however, registered PMC students who have already provided documentation to the PMC are not required to upload their documentation again in the student portal. You will also find your teaching and exam accommodations on this page, along with their expiry date and current statuses. The third tab is your to-do list, which is where you'll find outstanding tasks that you need to complete and their respective deadlines. You can also view and reply to messages from your disabilities coordinator or from other PMC staff. On the Accommodations tab is where you'll find your course list with your courses from that semester. By selecting the semester, you can review the template of available teaching and exam accommodations for each of your courses, select the accommodations you require for each course, and submit an accommodations request, or opt out of your accommodations for any given course. Return to this tab to review the approval status of your chosen accommodations. On the Exams tab, you'll find details regarding the exams you have yet to confirm, exams that you'll be writing with the McIntyre Exam Center, exams you'll be writing with your prof, and finally the exams you'll be writing in class without accommodations. In the Exams tab, you can confirm your participation in exams with accommodations, opt out of exam accommodations, cancel accommodations you had previously arranged, and view your accommodations details. On the Letters tab, you'll find your letters of accommodation and any other letters that have been issued by your disability coordinator. Please note that the letters of accommodation, or LOA, in your student portal do not need to be physically sent or emailed to your professors. They have received a copy of the LOA in the instructor portal. Account Activity is a tab where you'll see a log of all the changes and updates that have occurred to your account. So that's a quick walkthrough of the Ventus Student Portal. If you do have any questions, check out our FAQs on our Ventus Help website, carleton.ca/Ventus Help. Check out the Student Support section for an FAQ on accommodations management and e-learning modules on how to use Ventus to help you manage and keep track of your accommodations in your courses throughout the term. In no time, you will become a Ventus Pro. And this great tool will simplify your accommodations management with the Paul Menton Center throughout your time at Carleton.